upgrading your RAM in your computer. This is going to be my future NAS. I'm currently just assembling it. So we're going to take out those two DDR2 strips of 2 gigabytes at 667 megahertz and putting these four 800 megahertz 2 gig strips of RAM, DDR2. Same thing, old, but for a NAS build, it's perfect. Alright, so now that I'm hands-free, we are going to remove the RAM. So that starts by undoing these gimmicky heat shields, or heat sinks I should say.
There's one done. There's the next one done. There. That one's done.
So this will maximize the amount of room in the case. So I always do this with the case unplugged. See, that's free now. Awesome. And then you won't have any issues whatsoever. So I'm just gonna pop the tabs. Don't really recommend it doing with this tool, but I'm just being careful. Beautiful. There we go. Oh, can't really get in there. Well, it shouldn't be an issue.
That one's free. That one's free. And that one's free. Awesome.
So, I'm always keeping contact with the case, so that grounds me to the case. There we go. Always your heat sinks tend to get in the way, but again, it's free, so this can be repurposed or thrown out. Antiquated hardware. All right, now for the new stuff. So, I got this on Amazon. It is your 2 gig strips, 4 of them, as you can see here, 800 megahertz, and that's going to be the upgrade for this PC, my future NAS. The future NAS. This is not a very sharp knife, guys. I don't ever sharpen it. Probably should sharpen it. Anyways, here's our strips. So, and we will start with the first two that we took out. Again, make sure your power is off, your case is unplugged, and all that nonsense, and the orientation of your, what do you call it, RAM strips. So this is the correct orientation. And I'll just begin to, drop one. All right, we'll just go on. And you'll place it in like so. Make sure that it's connected, and then just gently push down, and you'll see it click in. That's the first one, and that's the second one. So now we will do the second strip. Again, make sure it's oriented properly, and I believe that would be correct. Just kind of snug it in there until you feel it guide itself in, and that is not right. Beautiful. Now we're on to the last two. Get this out of here. Okay, and I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. I had a friend of mine call me up and do some staircase work. So I took the time while we were talking to kind of straighten up some of the wires, get some things out of the way. Probably should have done that in the beginning. You know how it is. And let's get this all straightened up. We're almost done.
So like I said before, make sure the power is unplugged, make sure you're grounded to the chassis of the computer. Even get yourself a ground strap so that there's no possible way you'll short circuit any of this stuff. There, you hear those two clicks? That's time for the final piece. So like I said, this is going to be a NAS computer, so I'm just kind of trying to be gentle here. The last piece. Alrighty, always make sure those are oriented properly, makes your installation a lot easier. What am I stuck on? There it is. Some of the slots, nice, double check everything, and just push down. You hear those two clicks? We're in. And as a bonus, I have the video card right over here. This is just your simple 128 old video card. Might not even work, so we're just going to jam this in right here. Again, make sure it's all lined up. There it is. This is actually my old server, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. And that's it. She's in Snoop.
Of course, this fights me, eh? Well, we all know how it is. There it goes. Done. And this is a cooler master case. That's all I gotta do. So that is now installed. So RAM and video card, done. Thanks for watching, guys.